Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the Excel workflow automation. Automation is no, this is not basically automation. This is a plot, a custom plot. The call it called MariMekko plot. Shortly, it calls Mekko plot. And it is not available in the Excel, but in the Power BI probably. But I made some modifications and some adjustments so that I can pull the chart off, and it is plotting dynamically from this range, though we are using another tab to modify the data so that we can get the total for that. So the total is basically it's considering what is the width of this. So it is considering taking all of these values so that it can get plotted accordingly. All right. Okay, so I have also made sure that it is matching the color scheme and some chart, but there is always some limitations in it. As you can see, the total number can't be shown, and the matrix name. But this can always be added into the values like GVR with the associated name, whatever the name is, or we can always type in the name manually, or maybe in the first field only. Okay, so this is it from my side. Let me try explaining it. So as you can see, this is plotting from these values and the ranges are dynamic. So what I've done, I've created some random values so that I can change the values in here and you can see the chart plotting updated. And again, I can always copy this again. This is not exactly 100% because it reaches more than 100% sometimes. So it's 111, and this could be more than that too. So it's 84 sometimes, so it's not 100%. So whereas basically there should be 100% numbers in here so that we can always reach to the top only, and we are not going beyond or shortening. And yeah, the sequence is same. GVR, when talking, all of these are in the same sequence, and the font as well. Once you will be entering some valid data, let me create another time. Let's see what happens this time. Okay, you can see the width of the charts are also getting dynamically updated based on these values. And currently it's 8, 7, 13, 1, 13, 46. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth chart is the widest one. So I think it's starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one is very small. Fifth, and then sixth one. So this is the maximum with the width 31 and 36. So all three are there. Let me make another change and let's see what happens this time. Again, you can see the chart which are getting updated and it's filling in on vertical scale as well. So that's it from my side. Please do let me know if you need any further assistance. And if you need this one, looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.